Artistic potholes. Day after day, road surfaces suffer from all kinds of devastating external effects. Unfavorable weather conditions, soil affected by destructive processes, as well as the friction of car tires, are the causes of the appearance of potholes on the roads. Companies that build roads are obliged to fix the road, covering the potholes, but they do not always cope with the task in time. Often citizens come to the rescue and sometimes choose very original and creative ways to solve road deficiencies. Human imagination is boundless, so there are countless creative ways to fix a pothole. Artist Jamie Backer of Chicago, for example, has decided to help the road service by filling particularly large and deep holes with mosaics. He first fills each hole with mortar and then places a pattern of glass and marble on top. He assembles them at home beforehand. The idea of repairing roads in this way occurred to the artist when he visited Pompeii. The man decided that if the glass and marble roads built in ancient Roman times have survived to this day, then this technology is suitable for modern roads. Now, the area where this man lives cannot be confused with any other area of the city. This is because the roads are flat and the patches on the surface are a true work of art. And although the artist's work is technically illegal, the police and road services do not object at all. So no one is going to stop and fine the man and limit his creative impulses. Infrared pavement repair. Statistics show that every year, 2 to 3% of the road surface in each city is worn in some places where the weather is particularly harsh, or where poor quality materials have been chosen. The figure can be as high as 12 to 15%. The most common problem is cracks and potholes. Before starting the repair, it is necessary to remove the damaged asphalt layer, traditionally for the destruction of the asphalt layer. Many excavators with hydraulic hammers, hand hammers and special cutters were used. Today there is a more efficient, simpler and cheaper way to remove the old coating, thanks to the use of special infrared asphalt heating equipment. Infrared heat softens the roadway, but you do not like its properties. Bitumen is not burned in the process. With the help of such equipment can be heated not only asphalt, but also concrete, metal, and even thermoplastic. During repair, the first step is to place the heater over the damaged area. It takes no more than 10 minutes for the asphalt to soften. The heater is lifted and moved to the next damaged area. Workers loosen the surface, add fresh asphalt and rejuvenating agents, and then level the layer. The only thing left to do is the cylinder. The result is a flawless surface that doesn't look like a patch. It is worth noting that this form of road repair, unlike traditional methods, makes it possible to reduce the amount of materials used by half. Chip fill. Gavico Marking is a company specializing in the production and sale of thermoplastic for road marking. However, a few years ago the company's experts developed a new thermoplastic with unique properties. Its main feature is that it is suitable for road repair. Chip fill initially looks like flakes that are transported in large bags. First, workers heat the damaged surface and then fill it with these flakes. The chip fill thermoplastic is then heated using a gas torch. The material optimally fills the crack a hole and melts with bitumen. This repair method is ideal if the damage has a diameter or width of 15 to 20 centimeters maximum. Thermoplastic adheres much better to the surface than materials traditionally used for cold repair. The repair process takes only 20 minutes, which is sufficient to prevent further damage to the road surface. It should be noted that roads can be repaired in this way all year round. The use of bulky and complex road equipment is not required. Hydraulic Hunklinger grips. While automobile roads are paved with asphalt, tiles are increasingly used as a material for sidewalks and walkways. Here is an advanced grip paving system produced by the German company Hunklinger. Each machine is equipped with a patented automatic hydraulic control unit. This means that the device can be connected to any construction machine. In contrast, the installation of competing models that usually have an electro-hydraulic unit is much more complicated and can only work with a certain number of machines. The robot works in cycles holding a layer of tiles, while the grips perform lateral and horizontal leveling. The grippers then fix the layer, lift the tiles and place them on the surface. The cycles are repeated over and over again until the path is ready. Concrete pavers on rollers. The last step in creating a concrete floor, whether indoors or outdoors, is to level the floor. It is especially important to perform this step when it comes to room construction. Only if the floor is flat. Installation of laminate linoleum or other similar materials can be done correctly. However, leveling is also important when building walkways. Creating a perfectly flat surface without joints is a complex and time-consuming job. Traditional leveling methods are not perfect and require a lot of effort from workers. GR Manufacturing offers a solution that will significantly simplify and speed up such work. The company produces concrete pavers on rollers of different sizes and designs. The equipment is powered by an electric generator. The solid roller rolls and compacts the surface of the concrete to create a perfect surface without any effort. The working width of the roller can be varied to allow contractors to perform a wide variety of tasks. Polylevel. The most common reason why the surface of a concrete slab becomes unusable is because the floor underneath it shrinks on the outside. It may seem that polylevel is a run-of-the-mill spray foam that should not be used under these slabs. However, polylevel is polyurethane-based and has a higher density usually to return concrete slabs to their original and correct position. Special concrete is used. However, for the cavity to be filled evenly, it is necessary to make a large number of holes around the entire perimeter, damaging the appearance of the site. The advantage of polylevel foam is that it can be filled through very small holes that are practically invisible after filling. Another advantage is that polylevel has a lower weight than the traditional mix, but has a higher load-bearing capacity. The lifting capacity of the foam is regulated by the components of the composition. In other words, polylevel meets the needs of any construction project. The polyurethane in the composition penetrates into the soil, reinforcing which prevents further shrinkage, allowing to repair the coating less frequently. And the final advantage is the speed of cure. To allow the traditional mixture to spread and dry, it is necessary to wait a few hours to a couple of days. Polylevel dries almost instantly, so the surface can be reused immediately after repair.